Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I'm going to be installing the seamless curly clip-in hair extensions. The way I blended them in looks super natural and I'm so glad that I got these. They blend in with my natural curl pattern. These clip-in hair extensions are from Unice and I'm honestly not surprised by how the quality is because Unice is known to have like really good perfect hair quality. And let me add in 100% human hair, really good hair quality. Before we get started into this hair tutorial, make sure you guys like this video if you guys love these types of videos from me, or if you guys love wearing clip-in hair extensions, or if you guys love the brand Unice, you know, just like this video, it'll help a lot. If you guys want to see how I added so much length and volume and blended these clip-in hair extensions, then just keep on watching. Once you receive your package, your Unice hair will come in this box, and of course Unice always comes with goodies. I received a robe this time and I did get this hair in 24 inches. I had got the Unice seamless natural curly clip-in hair extensions, and these are 100% human hair. And they are in a natural black color, and you can get them in 16 inches between 26 inches, and the ones I have are 24 inches. You would be receiving 1 6 clips, 1 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 1 3 clips, and then 4 2 clips. I can tell automatically that these are gonna blend in with my hair perfectly because of how the stitching is on the clip-ins and just how they're designed. Some of the gifts I received is a wig cap because they do have their own wig cap, and a really cute pink sticky notepad, which is really handy for me. I will show you guys the rest of the goodies I received in the next few clips. Right now I am co-washing the hair just to make sure that the hair is nice and clean, and it'll just be way more easier for me to detangle the hair, and it'll help give the hair more volume. This is how my natural hair looks once it's freshly washed, and I add a lot of product so it takes forever for it to gain its volume. But I did mess up on my bangs. They're still growing out, but you know, whatever. But this is the stuff that I received from Unice: the wig cap, the edge band, the lashes, and a brush, and that went by so fast. But anyway, now I'm gonna be starting off with the 6 clip-in, the 1-piece 6 clip-in. I make sure to brush it out and also use my Rizos Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I love using this on my natural hair. Now I'm just going to be sectioning the bottom part of my hair. I'm not going to start in the center, but it's going to be like more on the bottom center. Just not too low or not too high. And then this is the 6th clip I'm going to be using. The clips on this is very sturdy, so you do not have to worry about this unclipping or them falling off your hair. No, these are very sturdy. I make sure to put the clip in the middle just to make sure that it's centered properly. Then I start clipping from one end to the other end. And look how full this clip-in made my hair, and this is only 1 clip-in, but I am going to be fixing the bottoms because they're looking a little bit too thin, so I'm just separating the curls with my fingers. Now we're just gonna move a little bit more up from the area where we started at. And when you do this, make sure not to grab too much pieces of your hair, because I kind of noticed that I did that a little bit. Like the pieces that I grabbed could have been a little bit more thinner. So make sure you guys grab thinner pieces so your hair doesn't look all choppy while being blended in with the clip-ins. I'm just doing the same thing, combing the hair, then adding the Rizos Refresh and Detangle Spray, unclipping the hair, so it'll be way more easier for you to put on the clip-ins on your head instead of trying to do it while you're trying to put them on, you know. Then make sure it's in the center, then start reclipping them. We're only using 2 clip-ins right now, and look how thick my hair is looking. Like, Unice do not play when it comes to their hair quality. Like, look how good that is. And I'm making sure that I'm combing out the bottom part so it doesn't look all thin at the bottom, and separating the hair with your fingers would also help. Now we're moving on towards the sides of my hair, and we're gonna start using the smaller clips because now we're done with the bigger clips. The bigger clips are more for the back of the hair. Just doing the same thing with the hair, using the refresh and detangle spray, then combing it for more volume. And then I'm adding 1-2 clips on this side of my hair. You guys probably already know this, but if you are new to using curly clip-in hair extensions, you do not have to tease your hair. Like when it comes to our hair texture, really curly hair like this, we do not need to tease it because it's already thick enough to hold the clip-in, and the clip-ins are already naturally sturdy. So yeah, you do not tease your hair. Now I'm adding another 1-piece 2 clip-ins into my hair, but just on the other side. And these clip-ins are making me feel like a brand new person because look how good my hair is looking, and we're only using 4 pieces of hair so far. Lastly, we're gonna add 1 more piece because I did not have to use all of the pieces I received. So we're either going in with the 4 clip-in or the 3 clip-in. I honestly do not remember. Either way, I'm using either the 3 clip-in or the 4 clip-in, and that's all the clip-ins I need. I only had to use about 5 of them. It comes with 9 clip-ins altogether. Now it's time to add product to the hair, even though we had already used the refresh and detangle spray. But right now I do have like a lot of gel in my natural hair, so I need to blend that in more with the clip-ins. I'm just adding the 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒 styling gel onto the hair and mixing it with water so everything can just blend in more seamlessly. Then I'm doing my edges with my 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒 styling gel. Gotta make sure the edges are always looking right. Everything that I'm mentioning or using in this video will be linked down below, and some of the products that I am mentioning anyway are from Amazon, so make sure you guys check out my description box. Then I'm fixing my middle part just to make sure that everything is perfectly centered, and I'm gonna jump on adding more gel on the other side of my hair. I noticed the hair needed more moisture now since I added too much gel, so I'm gonna go in with my Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream and just adding a lot of the product towards the bottoms of the hair. I don't know if it's just me or what, but do you guys ever have a problem with a certain part of your hair is just too frizzy with that one part? Like this part right here is just very stubborn. Like, am I the only one that deals with that? From using the Unice curly seamless clip-in hair extensions. If you want to know my final thoughts and opinions about these curly clip-in hair extensions from Unice, then just stay towards the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me installing these seamless curly clip-in hair extensions. Like, I'm so obsessed with this hair right now. Like, I'm really motivated to film other videos now because this is looking super good. Make sure you guys go check out Unice's clip-in hair extensions because they don't only have curly, they have straight, wavy, just so many different options you can choose from on their website. Make sure you guys like this video and comment down below, subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.